Hello and welcome to the Longevity Learning Lab. Today we're going to make a few stick welds using our Avani Downdraft welding table, and we're going to get a feel for its effects on the smoke in our weld zone. So we'll make a few welds with the table on, and we'll make a few welds with the table off, and we should be able to see quite a bit of difference. Okay, we've got a couple of pieces of 1 by 1 by 1/8 carbon steel angle clamped down to the table using the strong arm clamp. So I'm going to start the weld, and then partially through the weld we're going to turn on the downdraft table, and we should see some effects of the table on the action of the smoke. So put down your hood and let's see what happens. So we can see the smoke lifting up off of the weld zone. But now as we turn on the table, you see how the smoke changes and now leaves the breathing zone of the welder. So if we have access to a piece of equipment like this, this is a great tool to have in our arsenal of welding equipment.